Πάρτε τον! Έλα πάρτε! Σηκωθείτε! Πάρτε τον! Καροτσάκι, πέρα!
Πάμε Καροτσάκι! This is not the government! This is illegal!
Από εκεί έχει οχήματα ρε! Από εκεί έχει οχήματα! Από εδώ!
Democracy! Justice! We tend to protest the Greek government for its financial policies, for pushing the country into the arms of the IMF, and for being unfair to the people, and just a government for the banksters and the loan sharks, and a threat to our national sovereignty.